Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to link pages on Framer. So first, you need to log into your account here on Framer, and this is a blank page. So basically, as you can see, if I tap here the home page, then I can see that link option right here. So what you're going to do is you need to add a page or another page by tapping this three dots, click new page. Then you can name this page with whatever name you want. So for example, my list or my page, everything is up to you. Once done, then you can now click the page, and once you tap the page or click the page, then basically if you go to the right side, you will see here the link option, unlike the first one. So here it is. What you're going to do is click this plus icon. Now you can link this page to your home, or you can also link this to another website by pasting the URL or link here. Okay, so you can tap home or paste the link here, and basically that's how easy it is. It will be added to your Framer. So once they tap the link, then it will take them directly to the specific link that you have added here. So that's how easy it is to link pages on Framer. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.